Welcome to How To, the YouTube channel that brings you the top benefits of exercise. Today, we're diving into the incredible advantages that exercise brings to your life. So let's get started and explore why exercise is a game changer for your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. 1. Boosts physical fitness. Regular exercise enhances your cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, improves flexibility, and boosts endurance. It is the ultimate way to achieve a stronger, fitter, and more agile body. 2. Increases energy levels. Engaging in physical activity releases endorphins, which provide a natural energy boost. Exercise also improves circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells, leaving you feeling invigorated and ready to conquer the day. 3. Enhances mental clarity. Exercise stimulates brain function and increases blood flow, leading to improved focus, concentration, and mental sharpness. It is the ultimate brain booster, helping you think clearer and perform better in all areas of life.